We also built, well, Zoe built this bed, raised bed. We're gonna have to add some more soil to it, of course. We have cabbage, squash, and okra in this one. They're looking real good. We did not till the bottom of this at all. I just weed eated it. Put different types of soil in it, and I water it. We use decomposable cups. So I like those better because the plants seem to take well when you transfer them. As you can see, I can just sit it anywhere as long as it's getting water. It's not really disrupted or disturbed at all, which is amazing to me. I love it. We got some more seedlings we're gonna have to plant. When you farming, it just don't stop. It don't stop. Peppers. The aloe vera's not doing good, but the beans are doing great. Those beans are gonna smother those onions for sure. And look at these cucumber plants. Man, oh man. They looking good. 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 Are they good? And my squash, that's the boat Zoe bought so we can go get in. We got in it, almost sank and drowned. I was scared to take my phone out there. There's a squash. Load this stuff up. Lows. My shark pose. Got a bunch of utensils. Okay then. We back. Got some old buckets. Found at my job. Drilled me some holes in them. Some people say an inch, some people say 2 inches. I drilled 3. Yeah, I drilled 2, 4. Some are like 1. Anyway, we're gonna put some dirt in these, and we're gonna put some plants in these. We're gonna take advantage of everything presented to show you guys that anything is possible. Put your plants in the ground. You said, what about them?
These?
Yeah.
Look at your chicken on the other side. Get them. Go. If y'all don't get back up here.
Don't talk to the chickens like that. You gotta go get them. Anyway, we got some dirt. Now we're gonna put some plants in. Thought she was gonna bring me some plants. Yeah. You gotta have the right stuff in the soil. Let's see here, we got some tomatillos. We got squash. I don't know, those are zucchini. This is so unethical. I highly suggest you do not plant this way. I'm gonna have to add some more dirt to this clearly. I'll be back when I can multitask. Okay, I fed my chickens. My Primos just came by. They just moved in next door, so we was over there having like celebratory modelos. Anyway, I planted this. I got this pot right here for like $14.99 from Lowe's. Put about 3 squash or zucchini or cucumbers in it. Don't know. Ooh, look at that beautiful plant. It's raining. And look at it. Ooh-wee. Well, that thing is growing overnight. That rain did it well. And here we go. I think those are okra. I put those in my other pot. There's my lavender. Man, look at that lavender. That lavender looks so beautiful. Apple mint, chocolate mint, and that's the buckets. I put one different plant in each one so we can experiment exactly how they do. That's a tomatillo. I think that's a squash. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. That might be like some type of salad mixture greens. We got those today at Lowe's, a nozzle pack. That's what Zoe got. Let's see here. I used her boat as a slightly hydroponic wave pool type ordeal. Spinach coming up good. That's coming up great. And let's see here. We added stands around the cucumbers so they have something to grow up. We're definitely going to add some taller sticks or stands or whatever you want to call it. But temporarily, that's what we're using, folks. That's what we're using. Yeah, let's see here. I'm going to have to put this up. Ooh, look at them ashy feet. More projects coming soon. We still have to plant all of this stuff. Apparently, none of this took. I have no clue. No clue what that was. Anyway, good night. Okay, we got some steelhead trout and some Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, just a pinch of Dale sauce with some, I think canola oil. We're gonna put some mushrooms in it, and that's what it looked like. I think I'm gonna cook it in the sauce, and then I'm gonna cream and mushroom it just to be funky. Get funky. I switched up the sauces. I decided to go with the Asian Zing ginger and soy chili pepper sauce. Yes, prepared with some good old jasmine rice. You never seen trout look so good. Look at that beautiful moon, baby. You can get sunlight at night. Moonlight. Time to fight it. Woo! I love seeing that moon in the morning.
These days, you've got to do whatever you can to save money. One of our biggest expenses can be our...
Oh, yeah, you take it?
What? She didn't even have a pen to put it. Like, what?
Cover that phone up.
What?
Where you going, Mom?
No.
Did you take the wheatgrass?
I've been taking everything. I drink all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, the wheatgrass do make it feel good. The wheatgrass
Oh,
do
wow.
make it feel good.
Yeah.
The cabbage. And then I drink all the other stuff.
Yeah, we need to get some more of that bone and black seed oil.
All right.
What, the tonic?
Mm-hmm.
You coming me or you? You figuring my beat good?
Here I was.
Oh, my stomach.
Oh, wow.
I got these today, and the girl said they ain't real. I said she jealous.
Oh wow.
What are those?
Louis Vuitton 400s.
Oh wow.
She said they knockoffs. I gotta Google it.
Why they got? Is that LV or VL?
Louis Vuitton LV.
It's like a VL on the bottom. Yeah, them some
He said they knock off.
them some Vuitton Louis Vuitton Louis.
Stop.
Oh wow.
It's Louis Vuitton, dummy. And she got, oh Lord. Oh. She said they knock off. She jealous. Suppose I get 200 off. What y'all filming?
I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing.
The coronavirus. Bye, love you. Got some plants on the inside. We had to bring them inside. Man, we got some planting to do. Oh, I forgot my hat. Coming storm. Come on, girl. You about ready to pop. So you gonna have some puppies. All right. We moved. I should have just bought the tables in. I don't know why I didn't. None of this stuff started to grow, so it's all right. Her onion's dying, so it's all right. Couldn't find another sheet that I wanted to sacrifice for this side. So if anything, the frost is gonna make it bounce. Say this is the strong survive corner over here. Over here, I've taken an old quilt and another old sheet and some old stilts, and I covered up what was most valuable to me. There's our vegetable plants. Got chocolate mint over here, solo, dolo. Man, I fell asleep. I was supposed to have been over there. I should have covered all this up. I'm slacking. I'm gonna come up with something for this. But I covered up my tomato plants, my other squash and cucumber plants with some stilts and old sheets. I hope my onions make it. Hope they make it, cause I ain't covering them up. Covered up my peppers and beans, now my peas. Put me a little wire down and just threw the sheet over top of it. I'll show y'all in the morning more of what this consisted of. Hey, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. Get your, if you want pregnant. Oh my goodness gracious. This is not the bed, no. Get back, please, please. I'm sorry, please, come on, you gotta go in the house. Come on, Storm, come on. What in the world? Oh my goodness. Get in the house. Come on, get in the bad girl. What? Oh my goodness. I was not prepared for that. I don't even want to look. I can't even look in here right now. She done hopped up on the dang on thing like it was the bed. It's a flower bed, not a dog bed. Anyway, I took Zoe kayak, inflatable kayak boat thing, and I covered up the satellite station. I put some extra shavings in there with the chickens. They good. They good in there. It's a little bit much going on in there. I don't even care to explain. Here's another old sheet and another old blanket and another old sheet and another old blanket. Got it covered up. Hopefully the frost don't get us this time, man. Uncle Steve calls her nephew. Nephew, y'all got some pretty plants. Don't let that frost get to them. It's gonna be a cold weekend. It's gonna be a cold weekend. Let me see if I. Let me think. No, I'm not gonna be able to play it and record at the same time. Anyway, I might if I work something out. But anyway, I fell asleep. I was out here. I was supposed to be drinking with my amigos next door. I fell asleep, and I woke up, came out here, started covering stuff up, like I was trying to cover up my drunk homie. You ever had a buddy come over to be drunk, and you wake up in the middle of the night, and he's sitting there he or she sitting there on the couch, about passed out, hurt, and you take the cover and you put it over. That's what good friends do anyway. I know I'm a good friend. I cover up my homies. I ain't gonna let you sit there and shiver to death. But that'd be some painful sleep, some very uncomfortable sleep. When you get drunk and pass out somewhere random, and you wake up and realize you done thugged it all through the night, that's rough. There y'all go, folks. Take some old sheets, cover up them plants. If you seeing this right now, then that mean it might be too late if you ain't covered up them plants. I'm trying to tell you. Woo, by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be way too late. I'm gonna try to get it up tonight. I'm gonna try. Y'all stuff gonna be looking like this section over here. Meet you at the crossroads. It's gonna be, you gonna be lonely. Meet you at the crossroads. You gonna be lonely at the crossroads.